Hi guys, this is Steve Crypto from Goshen Arbitrage and Crypto Trading Platform. So today I'll be teaching you how to use technical indicators. I will be showing you how to use two technical indicators. I'll be showing you how to use the RSI and the MACD, the MACD and the RSI. So let's get to it. I'm on my futures, Binance futures now. Let's go back and see. Okay, so you can see this is the home page. This is my home page, so this is my features. You can see this is the features page here. So let's go to the features page, and this is where you see your technical analysis, your what they call it, your chart. So we are there already. I'm not trading, I just want to show you how to use the MACD indicator and also the RSI. So now you can see this is the chart here. If you go down, like I said, for day traders, for those who are trading in the day, that's you take profit in the same day. We use time frame from 1 to 5 minutes, advisable at most 1 hour, but I recommend using 1 minute, 2, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, at most 15 minutes. Okay, so like I said, you can see down here, you can see we have MA on, that's moving average, then we have MACD and RSI. So I'll be showing us how to use MACD and RSI. If you're just joining this channel and you are just coming across this video, kindly like this video, share, and also subscribe. And if you hit the bell button to get update like this, so that other people can see it also, and so that you can also know when I post such videos. Now this is it. Now this is the RSI. I will start with the MACD. This is the MACD. This is MACD, MACD. So if you want to activate it, you just come to this place. You come to this place and you click on MACD, and this is the MACD. This is the MACD line. So the MACD line has two lines. It has the MACD line, the one that is curvy. You see, this is the yellow line that is curvy. It is curvy. It is curvy. That is to say, it is bending. It is bending. It's not smooth. It's not smooth. So, and the second line is called the signal line, and it also have what they call it, the histogram. You can see histogram under. This is the histogram, where you see the histogram. That's these bar lines. You see green, you see what, red. So let me explain how the MACD works. It is a very, very, very good indicator that is used widely. Number one is that if the two lines are close to each other, it means that the volatility of the coin is low. If they are far apart, it means that the volatility is what, high. Now if the two lines are close to each other, that's the MACD line itself and the signal line. So I want to show you. You can see from here. Let's go to where the lines are close to each other. Okay, now look at this place, this from here to here. You see that the line are a bit, it's not even close, but they are a bit close to each other. You can see that the volatility here of this candlestick are what, they are going up and down. The volatility is not what, is not too much, but this is not even a good example. But if they are far apart, you can see this place, you can see this place, that the lines are far apart, and you can see the volatility, it went down so much and went up again. Do you understand? So if the lines are close, let me use this one. You can see that the lines are quite close here. You can see that the lines are quite close, and you can even see it from the histogram, from the bar lines. You can see that the volatility here is what, is not much. That volatility of a coin means the rate at which it goes up and come down is not much. So if this is the MACD indicator. Now if the lines are too close to each other, the volatility will be low, and if they are far apart, the volatility will be high. Now there is another one yet. If the lines are crossing each other, then I've told you already that we have two lines here, the signal line and the MACD line. So if the lines are crossing each other, there is a crossing each other, then there is about to be a change in direction. Now look at it. Now this is the MACD line, the yellow line here, and the signal line is the purple line. So now you can see this point where it cross each other. It switched from an upward trend, that is the green, is switched to the what, red. So you'll be able to know when there is going to be a change in direction. And I admonish you to be patient. At least let the switch be 2 or 3 bars before you can enter. And also you need to use this with other indicators. I tell you, the fact that MACD is a very good one, you can use it alone, but it is best you analyze with other indicators. That's why I'm showing you 2 indicators today. So and the last one is that if the signal line is under the MACD line, there will be a drop in price. That is a downtrend. That's if the signal line is under the MACD line, there will be a drop in price. Now let's look at it. If the signal line, this is the signal line, the purple one. If the signal line is under MACD line, okay, I'm coming. Okay, if MACD line is above the signal line, there will be a rise in price. If MACD line, not the signal line, if MACD line, this yellow line, is above the signal line, that is the purple one, there will be a rise in price. So you can see from here that this yellow line is above, and there was a rise in price. There was a rise in price. And if this MACD line is below, there will be a drop in price. So this is about MACD. This is all about MACD that you need to know to enter a trade and to exit a trade. Now, like I said, it is good to use it with another one, so I'll be giving you another bonus. It is called the RSI. So you can just click it here. You can see if you click it here, it will appear. The RSI is a very, very nice indicator, but you need to use it with other one. It is called relative strength index. This is the technical indicator, that is the RSI, the technical indicator that is used to show if a cryptocurrency is overvalued or undervalued. What does it mean? If a currency is undervalued, it means it has been oversold. And if it is overvalued, it has been overbought. It also helps to identify trend in the market. The RSI value of a crypto ranges from 0 to 100. It ranges from what? 0 to 100. This is it, 0 to 100. You can see 80 here, 50. It ranges from 0 to 100. Right? Now, at 0 to 30, it means that it has been undervalued. You can buy. So when this line, now the RSI, we have the 6 days RSI, we have 12 days, we have the 24 days. Now let's look at the 6 days, that's the yellow line. If it is below 30, this one is at 50 now. If it is below 30 to 100, you can buy. It means it has been undervalued. So you can buy. So it means that very soon there will be an uptrend. But if it is overvalued, let's say it is here around 100, it means what? You can see at this place it is around this place it is going to be around 80, 90. It means it has been overvalued. It means there will soon be a downtrend, and you can see after that there was a downtrend. Now it has 59, 58. It is at 58, 59 now. So it is not a clear signal. So you need to use it with the MACD to be able to know an entry point or an exit point. Kindly like this video if you gain knowledge, and also if you gain something, kindly subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell notification to get updates like this, or to get good videos like this also. And also I have a premium class, that's my Binance futures trading, my futures trading class. You can DM me, use the link in the WhatsApp to DM me from my group and enroll in the premium class. I bet you, if this one can show you this, you will not miss it. And you need to know plenty things about trading, especially trading futures and trading in general and investment. So the full course is packaged, and if you want to be an expert trader, you can enroll. Give me a DM and enroll for the class. Thank you.